The market is finally breaking this trend line from this bear flag. So where we are headed next? As you know, this is a very important week because the US Fed interest rate decision will be announced this week. So let's start with the daily chart, and we can see prices trying to make this double bottom here, at least in the shorter time frame, but this is not very strong. The key level is 15,000 psychological level over here. Also, this is a bear flag. So if we talk about a full drop, let's see where we are heading from the top part of this channel. We are looking at roughly 14,700, which will create sort of a double bottom from this point here. So price broke down, one time tested, then second time tested, and then finally we are falling. So this is a little bit concerning, but given that this is the US Fed interest rate week, this is quite normal that the market is not very certain where it wants to go. Major move will depend on the US Fed interest rate. Now let's quickly check the fib levels from the recent lows to the recent high and see what do we get. So the 0.5 level is sitting at roughly 15,183, and the gold zone is sitting at 14,960. So yes, this range can come into play, and I will show you one more pattern that can develop in case we see this retest. So this sort of an action can happen where we come back down to test this area. So roughly 15,000 area can easily get tested over the next few days. Now let's check another fib levels which were from these recent highs to the recent lows, and let's see what we are getting. So the 382 level is sitting at 15,084, once again telling us that this range 15,000 15,050 is actually quite important, at least in the shorter time frame. Now let me zoom out because I want to show you another very important thing. So this was a long term bear flag that the price was in since October. We had a successful breakout, a retest, market bouncing. Another retest can once again happen, taking us to 14,950, 15,000 somewhere around here, and then we might see a nice bounce from here. If the Fed is not very bearish, then yes, we will see a very nice bounce. Now there's a very interesting thing that is happening. Let me go over here and show you what is happening. So look at this, the Fed interest rate decision expectation is sitting at 5.5%. so that means that the market does not expect any interest rate to increase, which is very surprising given that the recent increase in inflation means that at least 25 basis points should be increased. Personally, I think yes, they might increase 25 basis points, and it might be a big shock for the market, which can easily take us to these double bottoms 14,700 area. But once again, more than the decision itself, the key thing to note is the speech by Powell, and if they are hawkish for the future, then yes, we are going lower. But even if they increase the interest rate and they are not very hawkish and they start signaling to the market that this is one of the last few interest rate increases, and after that they will just wait and see what happens, in that case we can actually see a very nice bounce which can take out these highs over here 15,800 900 area. Personally, I am hoping for something of that sort where they increase the interest rate, but for the future they are not that hawkish, and this helps the market pump back up. Now another pattern I want to show you here is if I draw this trend line like this, so there is a chance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern to form. Yes, that means that a 14,800 900 area can get retested, but hopefully we see a nice bounce from here once again, which can help us take out these tops over here. And in terms of the RSI also, if we see a nice bounce, we will be back into the overbought region. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think, and what are the trades that you are planning to take? Are you going short towards 14,700 800 area, or you are buying this double bottom and hoping that price goes at least 15,700 800 area? Now let's quickly check the fear and greed index, and we are in the neutral range. So this is good that we saw a good retest from the extreme greed region towards the neutral, and hopefully we see a nice bounce from here back towards extreme greed. So yes, do let us know your thoughts. What do you think about all of this? And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Our previous analysis videos are on your screen, you might want to watch those. And once again, gentle reminder, market is extremely volatile. If you're actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.